What's up, Bengaluru?
Today we're giving away free earphones to people who can answer 5 simple questions.
5th grade questions.
So let's see if Bangalore is smart.
So the free earphones are not only for the people we interviewed, we are giving away free earphones for you guys too, for one of y'all.
And if you guys want to win these earphones, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, push your post notifications on, and follow us on Instagram. We will contact you and let you know if you won this earphones. Okay, so hey guys, we are with Nitya today.
Jayant and
Chetna.
So we are here with a bunch of friends. Are you guys all from Bangalore?
Anurag and
Malvika. Trisha. I'm Salaka. Carol.
I'm Zayant.
Gina.
With two really young people at heart.
First question, are you ready? Yeah. Name the colors in the rainbow.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
Purple, blue, yellow, white, orange.
No white in the rainbow.
Okay. No, in the center. Webgear.
So wait, yeah, that's just a thing. Wait, so violet, indigo, blue, green, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
How many bones in the human body?
203.
204 when grown.
206.
How many bones in the human body?
Something you should know for sure.
Oh my god.
386. 232.
No.
208.
Very close, sir.
206. Arctic Ocean, Antarctic, Atlantic. What is it? Arctic Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific. Name the biggest ocean in the world.
Pacific Ocean.
Indo-Pacific.
Just guess anything.
Indian Ocean? No, it's not.
Go.
Yeah, it is, I think, the Pacific.
That is absolutely
Yeah.
right.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto's been removed. So Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Earth, Pluto, Saturn. One more.
Jupiter.
Mercury.
Did you say Mars?
Yeah.
Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune.
So, Mars,
And Mercury.
Mercury, yes, Jupiter.
The ring planet.
Yeah, Uranus and
Uranus.
Sorry. I really don't know. 14th president.
Maybe Manmohan Singh.
14th President Narendra Modi.
Oh no!
Narendra Modi.
Which one? Oh, the no. What's that guy's name? Education guy. Teachers Day guy. Vivek Swami. No.
You guys are very close. The 14th president is the current president of India.
Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind.
Cool. They won a free earphone.
Wait, independent 1947, 50.
This is Can we Google?
No, you can Google.
This is on purpose so that we don't get the earphone.
You guys managed to answer all the questions.
Thank you.
And you guys
Thank you so
get with
much.
your earphones. Happy Children's Day. So,
Ramnath Kovind. Yeah.
Ramnath Kovind is the right answer. Awesome, you guys won. Congratulations. So, you guys get this free Rode earphones. Here you go. Congratulations. Thank you for doing this for us. Happy Children's Day, and you guys are awesome.
Okay, I give up.
Give up?
Yeah.
Ramnath Kovind.
But also, let me just tell you this: I am a 5th grade teacher, so
Wow.
subscribe to M&M.
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 subscribe to MNN.
M&M.
Awesome. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
So you all know Church Street is a busy road. There are so many vehicles. But then today you will see something different. There are no vehicles. So every Saturday and Sunday the roads are blocked. We have some cool friends with us who are doing this project. So I think they'll explain better what the project is.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. We are actually interns to Church Street First project, and like our project is that Saturday and Sunday we are closing this street for this motorized vehicle. Only electric vehicles and pedestrianization is allowed in the street. So for last 2 weeks we are doing this, and we can find a lot of change here. So many people coming and enjoying more social interaction in the street. Many people are bringing their pets. Even old age people are coming. What social interaction and happiness we can see in the street. So it is our request, and it is for your good. You should come and visit this street. It's very good, and you should just see and enjoy it.